Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset control center layout to default on iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone running on iOS 18.1. Let's get started. To begin, go to Settings. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you find Control Center. It is usually somewhere in the middle. Tap on Control Center to open its settings. Here you will find Reset Control Center option. Tap on it. You will get a pop-up message to confirm your choice. It says this will reset your control center layout to factory defaults. If you are sure, go ahead and tap on Reset Control Center. And that's it. Your control center is now back to its original layout. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.